Welcome back, guys. This is the VigoroVIGORO Projects here, and today we're going to go ahead and build ourselves a fire pit. And you can see they're about $1.18 a piece, $2.18 and $5.28. I'm going to go with this more rustic feel. That's the one I really like the most. And we're going to go ahead and pick all the material here at Home Depot right now and show you how to build one of these. Alright guys, so I'm back. Did the shopping at Home Depot, and I brought back 30 pieces of this wall. Okay, and I got 2 bags of the red lava, 1 bag of the pebbles, the pea pebbles. Okay, and what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to use some sand to stabilize it and make it flat. Okay, the area I'm going to put it in is going to be right here. There used to be an old little fire pit here, but I decided to go ahead and build a more sturdy one. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start placing the stones down to kind of get the shape that we need. Okay guys, so here what I'm doing is basically creating an outline. So that's where we're at right now. Alright guys, so there's the perimeter on where we're going to go ahead and excavate a little bit so we can put some sand down and then make sure that each brick is stable. Alright guys, so I went ahead and removed all the grass in a circle. Once you place the stones on there, before you place the stones, what you're going to want to do is place sand, and then you're going to put the stones on top and make sure that they're leveled, and I will show you how to do that. Alright guys, so you want to go ahead and pack it down as much as you can. I use a piece of plywood, a piece of wood, 2x4 you can use or whatnot to make it a perfect circle. We're going to pat it down as much as possible so it's tight. Now we're going to go ahead and place those stones down. Step on it if you want. Okay. If it's uneven, you're going to have to put more dirt in there, more sand. sure you grab a level. See where it's sitting. Alright, so you see, perfectly balanced pit. Make sure you pack that sand down because we're going to go ahead and put rocks in there now. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put those rocks in, and then we'll do the lava rocks, those red lava rocks at the end. But I'm going to go ahead and put those river rocks, pebbles, in there. That way I can show you what that looks like. Okay. If you want to level it, you can use a piece of wood, but obviously mine's too big. So I'm just going to use my hand. This is going to prevent, if you keep the fire on overnight, your house not going to sit on fire, or it's not going to run underneath the ground. So now we're going to go ahead and place the other stones on there. Guys, you can see how it's looking so far. Pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and place those lava rocks in there, and that's pretty much it. I'll be finished. There you go. Looks very good. Only cost me $75 to actually build this fire pit, and it'll probably last me a lifetime. Alright guys, so here it is. This is how it looks, the fire pit. Looks really nice, very easy to do. Like I said, it only cost me $75 overall. So I would definitely suggest getting it and making it yourself, as it's going to last you a long time. I bought everything at Home Depot. I'm going to go ahead and put the itemized list, exactly what I bought, on the description for you guys to view. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.